Rick from Richwood has texture problems.
Yeah, it's coming off near his west-facing windows, Tom. Rick sent this in here, this picture. You can see where it's coming off right over in there.
Got it.
That's a mess. Rick writes, the wood or sheetrock is not soft. You know, in other words, you put his finger in there. It's not soft. And what he's wondering, what might be causing this and what should he check?
If it's moisture, you'll know it, like I always say, and he did. But he stuck his finger in there.
So it's not moisture. So what could it be?
I just get it repaired, little movements. It's pretty heavy texture.
Okay.
You can tell by looking at it. So I just have it repaired and painted. I think that's probably all it is. You're going to have to chip that all off anyway.
Right.
So if there's an obvious problem back there, you'll know it. But I think it's just a repair job.
So in other words, the house shifted or something. As
Something, yeah, or the texture dried out. It's on the west side. It got really hot and crispy, that kind of thing.
And cracked and
yeah,
whatever.
So I wouldn't overthink it.
When you come back, you wouldn't over-texture it either. It sounds like it's
well, you got to match what's there.
Oh, so he's sentenced to thick texture.
Let you texture the whole house. You don't want to do that, but there's a good job for Rudy.
Depends how ambitious you are, Rick.
Yeah, but I would scrape it all out, take a visual look. If it's dry, I wouldn't overthink it. I'd just retexture it and paint it, caulk it, paint it, do everything you need to do.
But like you say with Rudy would be the guy to call because he'll do it so
for
that
matching.
It blends in well, and you don't know if it
happened. If you're not confident with blending it, it's an art form. It really is. Even if it's small patches, it's an art form. So Rudy can do it for you.
And we practice the fine art of answering your questions when you send them to us by visiting HomeShowRadio.com. Click on that Ask Tom button. We'll post your answer just like these videos. Subscribe to our channel, click the bell,
Ding.
and we'll ring yours when we post a new one.